Hey YouTube, Wagwan. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're gonna put this Spigen mud flap on my 2025 Tesla Model Y. So on the website, I got it off Amazon. I will also leave a link in the description where you guys can get it as well. But I got it off Amazon and they said it doesn't fit the 2025. So let's see if it fit. I still go ahead and buy it because I don't really see any difference with change in the 2025 model. And it comes with hardwares and tools to install. It comes with two for the front, two for the back, come with tools, and it also come with hardware. So we're gonna go ahead and try it on the first front wheel to see if it fit, and we'll go from there. We're gonna come closer. We're gonna have two tab right here on two, which we're gonna use one of the tools that come in the car, that come in the package. Also, guys, link will be in the description for my referral. Now is the best time to get a Tesla Model Y R3 because now end of the year sale, they end of the year sales, they doing the sales and the price is really cheap. You can get up to 2,000 off. If you get a Model S or a Model Y, you get a 2,000 off, and if you get a Model Y or 3, you get you get 1,000 off also. So whichever one you go with. And also it's labor on it. You can see our rear left. Yeah, it should be, that's probably rear left. Yeah, that's rear left. So we're gonna go, this is right rear. This is left front or front left. All right, so we have the right front right here. So this one have a little bit of carbon fiber finish in it, but I don't really mind that. So back here, there's a gap right here. Back right here of a gap. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a gap. And on this, there's a hook that's gonna hook behind it. So you want to make sure that go over and hook behind it. So okay, so it go and the hook behind it, as you can see. So the clip's not even in yet, and I still haven't done anything. All right, so now we're gonna get the clips and clip it in. We're gonna use the newer clip that come with the package. So the newer clip that come with the package is a bit longer since the it's longer since you add an additional part on it. They say it wouldn't fit, guys, but it lined up. Alright, so we look like we're in business. I don't really like how this part stay because it's just a hook. Maybe if it have like a clip here, then it would go in. But you can see right there, have this little gap right there. I'm gonna go ahead and do it for the back. Alright, so let me show you how these clips work because I didn't really show you. So They're basically in like that. You get this, you slide this in here. Once you slide it in there, you just pull back on it and then you can take it out just like that. Alright, so now we have this one. Let's go ahead and remove these two clips at the bottom. Okay. And also in the back, you're gonna have a screw underneath the bumper right here. You're gonna have a screw underneath the bumper right here. Let's see if I can show you. This right here should be 10 millimeter, but this come in the kit, so you really don't need no tools. And lefty loosey, righty tighty. All right, guys, let's get it. It's a little tight, but it's a little tight, but it's coming. All right, guys, so we take the screws out from under there. This is what it looked like. So now, once you remove those two lower clip and that screw, same thing we're doing in the front with this part. We gotta hook it underneath here, so it's hole at the top. Okay, so that hook. And now we want to get our hardware that come with the kit. So we have the hardware now. Go ahead. The back fit better than the front. That's what I can see. And then we're going to tighten up our screw underneath. Yep. So this gonna be a little before. That's what it looked like before. And then we're gonna come on this side. This gonna be the after. Yeah, this still have a little gap right here. That right there. But apart from that, it looked good. So it's time to do the other side over here. And it's really easy, guys. You can get this done like maybe like 10 minutes to get all four done. Got the tool that come with it. And this screw is tight. So if you have a bigger 10 millimeter, you can use that. Get more leverage, or if you have an impact gun. See, it's a Loctite on it. Get the clip in. Alright, and then we're going to get our screw in at the bottom. So yeah, this side is done. We're gonna tighten up the screw at the bottom, and then we're gonna move towards the top, the front. We just repeating the steps. Alright, so we have this. It's in tight. It's not as much gap as the other side, so I'm gonna go revisit the other side and see if we can do anything about that. Alright guys, so I revisit this side. It's not as much now. It's alright. Does look a little better, but I wish the cut this piece is not actually black. It's actually grayish. So that's different, but it's gonna be alright with the black there and the black there. And I'm gonna put a chunk spoiler later on. I haven't bought it yet. Still going thinking about it. Alright guys, so this is what it looked like with the mud flap on. As you can see, now I have it on both sides. Thank you. Now I have it on both sides. That still have a little gap right there, but you can see it's not as big. Like it don't really, and you can see it's working because right here would get splashed, and you can see that it stopped right there. It's not as big and out there, like, you know. Come back here, you can see the back. They fit better in the back than in the front. Also guys, please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you want me to post on this Model Y 2025 Tesla Model Y right here. It's looking so nice with this gray and this dark hubcap. It looks real nice. You can see, looking sexy.